This product is developed for novel coronavirus. Apply for stations, factories, warehouses, airports, office buildings, hospitals. There are many temperature measuring products on the market, like a forehead thermometer, which is accurate, but can easily come into contact with skin and cause cross-infection. Infrared thermometers are expensive and have storage problems. However, our thermal temperature screening device has solved these two problems well, with preferential price and automatic temperature measurement. Products: accessories, camera, 10.1-inch monitor, tripod. Also can use the SD card for the recording and playback. Open the package. They need to be simply assembled and plugged in. Simple debugging at room temperature. When measuring temperature, it will give an alarm that our body temperature is normal or abnormal, so that we can know our body condition quickly. Notes: this product in the high temperature and humidity, and the surrounding temperature environment will lead to temperature inaccurate. Method of use: this product support temperature compensation. Temperature differences can be compensated in different environments and distances. Combined with the adjustment of temperature measuring gun can make temperature measuring more accurate. Also can use the SD card for the recording and playback. Easy to use, as long as you line up to measure the temperature after setting. When queuing, you should wait at the position of 45 degrees in front of the product. When the voice prompts the next person, then you can enter the measured area to check the temperature. After waiting for 1 to 3 seconds for detection, you can leave after the voice broadcast.
Next. The temperature is too high. Please next. Temperature is fine. Next. Temperature is fine. Next. Temperature is fine. Next.